Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So another video in intermolecular forces. Bam! So today we're talking about amorphous substances. A non-crystalline solid of atoms or molecules that lacks a regular repeating structure, i.e. there is no definite lattice-like pattern. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture of that in just a minute. Characteristics of amorphous substances is that they have a melting range, not a melting point. Okay, so if you have a pure substance, then it will have a definite melting point. So one of the key characteristics of a pure substance is that it will have a melting point and not a melting range, i.e. it will start to melt at a specific degrees of whatever it is, let's say 23 degrees, and it will end melting at 23 degrees. Okay, if it has a melting range, it starts at maybe like 23 degrees melting, and then it keeps on melting as you increase the temperature, and it's not completely melted until like 28 degrees. So that's like a melting range. Okay, so amorphous substances that have an irregular structure have a melting range. So some examples of some amorphous structures are glass, plastics, gels, thin films, and nanostructures. So I want you to take a look at this diagram over here. And the crystalline solid right over there, okay, that is a non-amorphous substance. Whereas on the right, that is an amorphous substance. And if you look at these two diagrams here, the one on the left, which is a crystalline solid, like sodium chloride, for example, it has a regular repeating pattern that repeats over and over again. You can take a sample of it anywhere you want to, and it's the same repeating pattern. Whereas the amorphous structure, it is an irregular structure. There's no repeating pattern. Again, that's why you have a melting range. And there are some very unusual properties with glass, plastics, gels, thin films, and nanostructures that take advantage of this amorphous-like structure. So there are some advantages of this. Okay, that is a super short video here, and I got a great hat here for you today. If you like to shoot some hoop, bam! Give me a thumbs up if you like that video, subscribe to my channel, and pass on my channel to anybody that needs to learn some chemistry, for goodness sake. I'll see you next time. Bye now.